For this project, I recommend getting the Klein Tools Coax Installation and Test Kit. The kit comes with compression fittings, comes with coax cable stripper, compression crimper, and a coax tester. Additionally, I recommend having some sort of cutting tool. These can either be side cutters, or I have this razor cutting tool. So first step, you're going to want to clean up the end of your coax cable. To do that, I'm just going to cut it a nice square cut. Next, you're going to want to get the cable stripping tool. Make sure that this black sliding piece is all the way up. Press down, insert the cable fully, and twist. And then you just pull it apart. Next, you're going to want to get a compression connector. You can get them on Amazon pretty cheaply. And you're going to have to press this on until the copper part is flush. Just pushes in. There we go. Next, get your compression crimper. And you're going to install the cable. Slips in just like this. And squeeze. Next, you're going to want to get the tester, the testing end, and a coupler. So you just thread in the tester into the crimped end you just made. Then you'll go onto the other end of your cable. You'll run a thread in the coupler. Slide this on. And we'll press the test button. Green, we passed. Thanks for watching.